The pneumograph, cardiosphygmograph, and galvanograph are the main components of a polygraph or lie detection machine. These instruments are used to measure psychological changes in the body while a person answers questions. So first, the pneumograph. The pneumograph is used to measure a person's breathing pattern. In using the pneumograph, you have to attach the rubber tube or belt around the subject's chest and abdomen. Make sure the belt are not too tight or too loose. Connect the device to the polygraph machine. While subject answers question, the pneumograph records the breathing rate, depth of breathing changes in breathing pattern. The purpose of this is when a person becomes nervous or deceptive, the breathing pattern may become faster, temporarily stop, and become irregular. Second is the cardiosphygmograph. Cardiosphygmograph are measured to blood pressure and heart rate. In using this, place a blood pressure cuff around the subject's arm similar to the regular BP apparatus. Tighten it properly to detect pulse and blood pressure. Connect it to the polygraph machine during the examination. It records the pulse rate, blood pressure, changes in heart rate. The purpose of this is when a person is tense or too lying, blood pressure may increase, heart rate may become faster. The third is the galvanograph, also called as the galvanic skin response. GSR sensor measures sweating and electrical activity of the skin. In using this, you have to attach the electrodes to subject's finger or palm. Make sure the skin is clean and dry before attaching the sensor. Connect the device to the polygraph machine. It records changes in the skin conductivity. The purpose of this is when a person experiences stress or nervous sweating, it increases skin conductivity become higher. This part of polygraph examination, the examiner asks the subject a series of carefully prepared questions while the machine records the subject's psychological responses as the subject answers the polygraph monitors. The changes breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, and skin conductivity. This procedure is important because the examiner compares the subject reaction to each question in order to identify an unusual physiological response that may indicate stress, nervous, or possible deception during the examination. And now we have to remove all the apparatus attached in our body. But remember, in removing this, the last being attached would be the first thing to remove.